Tunasema
ona thengia wa atongoria amwe a makanitha hamwe na muingi gukorwo magiteta ni mubango mweru wa marihi ma urigiti wa SHA na kwendekithia ukorwo ugiteanirio nginyagia riria thirikari irikinyaniria mehariria marumu. President augite gukinyanirio gwa SHA kumanire na mathina maria Kenya makoretwo makigerera rungu rwa mubango wa hau kabere wa NHIF agikinyiriria thirikari ni ihariirie guthondeka kuria kugumirwo ni mihinga.
We have decided that we are taking on this challenge because there are too many Kenyans that die out of illnesses that we can treat. There are too many Kenyans who end up in squalor and poverty because of hospital bills.
Agitetera mubango uyu Ruto oigite ona thengia wa ma president eri kugeria kugacirithia motungata ma urigiti na gukirema we ni hariirie guthondeka maundu niguo gutigirira gutire mu Kenya ugutigwo na thutha hari kumatha motungata thibitari-ini.
That this time round we must get it right and make it possible for every citizen, irrespective of their financial status, that they can get the highest level of treatment in Kenya.
Maya mahanikite riri ciama itiganite cia rigitani kirongurani marutite mukana wa kuiga mirothi angikorwo thirikari ndigukuruhania utungata wa insurance ya rigitania ya mubango-ini wa SHA.
We want to solve this problem once and for all. And this fund we are protecting, I'm very clear. It's not a new money we are looking for from the National Treasury. This is a fund we've been enjoying from 2011 under NHIF. And now because NHIF came to an end, there was no clear law transiting it to the new arrangement.
Atongoria ciama-ini ici maugite ona thengia wa gukorwo kandi ya NHIF ni rarugamagirira motungata ma urigiti kuri arigitani mubango wa SHA ndumakuruhanitie magitariria matiehariirie kuingira mubango-ini wa insurance kiumbe ta uria thirikari irendekithia.
That will not give us the covers that we need because we have seen our colleagues who are taken to some other private insurances like teachers and like police, the suffering that they've gone through. So we are very keen on the package we needed, that it should not in any way be watered downward.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.